Now I can put it on with my little 4-inch roller, my mini roller, and I think that's what I'll do. The top 2 steps, I was just doing that in a real quick go, and all I did was I used my 2-inch paintbrush. That's all I used for that. And I could have gotten out my 3-inch, but I haven't gotten it dirty yet. There's something about new stuff. I keep it new as long as I can, it seems like. I don't know why I do that, but I do. Just leave that in there. I gotta remember not to trip over this or anything. I'll just put it over in the corner. And it's not hard. I mean, you've seen me paint before. One of the small amount of times I'm going to put paint on without using my extension pole. Now I can use my little paintbrush, and if I get a little bit on the stucco, I'm not going to cry about it. Because I'm still going to do something with that stucco. I'm not quite sure. Well, I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do on that. And I might as well put paint here. And I also put paint underneath, right in there, from before. Like that. I've already done that step. I guess I should do that first next time, huh? See, I'm still using my 2-inch throwaway paintbrush that I've been using for everything. And I'm just going to keep her going. I guess I should do this underside first. I see where there's some screw holes I'm gonna have to fill up, and I can do that after I prime. Just trying to get the primer on. It's nice and sunny now. The weather's gonna turn after a while though. Yep, it will. I'm only going to get sun for a while. As you paint, if you go down, if you stand down, I'm standing down 3 or 4 steps, then you can get up underneath. Like I said, I've already done that the new step. That way, you know, if you can't see it there, just go back further. And look. Okay. I guess you can see all that. I'm not going to show you all this. I'm just going to show you a little bit. And I'm probably going to put 2 coats of this. I don't know why. 1 coat's probably fine. I mean, if there's any slight bits of mold anywhere left on this, on these old stairs, this 1 coat will kill them nice and good. Sure will. I guess if I wanted to, I could take my extension pole, my broom handle, and I could stand down 2 or 3 steps and then dip and go. But this will work fine. Any little bits down in there, if you see, just press a little bit harder. You'll get them. I want to get all that stuff. Okay. Then I can come back with my 2-inch. You start painting, you might think, I don't know how to paint. Well, just get in there and start doing it, and you'll learn as you go. You'll learn as you go. It's funny, I was reading some of my comments on my channel, and you know that guy, you remember that guy at channel, oh well, for me it was channel 6, it was public broadcasting channel, PBS, public broadcasting station maybe, PBS. And you remember that guy who used to paint? He painted landscapes and all kinds of stuff. Bob Ross. Bob Ross. I could sit there sometimes and watch him, and he just had a nice, calm voice, and I don't know, it cracked me up. One of my comments said, hey Joe, you sound like Bob Ross. Are you related to Bob? See how close I can get up to the wall with the mini roller? If I had a 9-inch roller with a big roller cover, I couldn't get anywhere close to that. And granted, I could come back with the paintbrush and do that, but like when I'm painting walls inside, I love using the 6-inch mini roller, not the 4-inch. I got a 4-inch here, Well, I've got a 6-inch too, and like I had a condo for a while in Maui, and I had to repaint some of the walls, and some of the other owners, hey Joe, can you come and repaint some of our walls, or can you do some touch up, or can you just paint this one wall, or can you paint an accent wall? And I whip out my 6-inch mini roller, cut some craft paper, some of my building paper, and set that down on the floor, and you know, just a 3-foot long, 3-foot wide piece by about 8 feet long, and I just set that down there. There's my drop cloth, and away I went. Okay, now I guess I need to get underneath that edge, right? Dun da 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 da. Yep, there you go. Okay, now that is just one coat, and I've got, oh, maybe this much paint left from there down. And after I got all that done, I thought, hey, I'll just rub the sides down with my little paintbrush, because I wasn't sure if that was going to slide down or not, and I did, and I got quite a bit extra down in there, and I think I have enough to put a second coat on here. I was planning on putting a second coat, but I think I'll just put the second coat on the treads, the stair treads, just the stairs that I didn't do. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stair treads, maybe a couple edges where I scraped off some of the loose stuff, you know, right in there, right up there, just to build that up. And this already had paint. Those other areas already had paint on them, so I'm not going to do that, but I'll do that one edge, that one right there. I'll do that too, because that was raw. Okay, so and it's not going to take that long to dry. In fact, look, these are already dry. I just finished these bottom ones, so I know that one's slightly wet. These two are slightly wet, so I could probably step over the first two and get up there. By the time I work down, these last two obviously will be dry, or I can just sit here and wait for a few minutes. But I'm going to start from the top there and work on down again. It's not going to take me that long to put a second coat on, and I believe I've got plenty of paint left. Okay, well, that's my next step. Just don't overthink it. One thing at a time, okay? And you can do it.